Welcome friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to switch Instagram account to a business account. Now the first thing that you want to do is click your profile on the lower right hand side. Then you want to click the professional dashboard right underneath the description there. Now once you're here guys, click on the gear in the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says preferences. You want to open that. Then scroll all the way to the bottom where you see switch account type. Go ahead and switch account type, and you will see the options to switch between business account. Now currently I'm on the creators account, so that's why you will see I have the personal and also the business account. Now if you're on the personal account, you will be able to see business and also creators. So just a point to note, but we're switching to the business account. So all you have to do is tap on that, then go ahead and click switch. And now you can see that you're on the business account. So that's all there is to it, guys. This is very easy and very simple.